Hey everybody, I'm Ray from Umarex, and today I'm going to show you how to replace an O-ring that is often the cause of the leaking Steel Storm magazine. So first thing we need to do is to remove this shiny piece of sheet metal right here, and to do that we need to punch out that center pin. I've already done that. Here's the pin right there, and so now all I need to do is remove the sheet metal cover, set that aside, and then we need to unscrew this cap right here. So should be able to just unscrew it by hand once you get the cap off. This is all you need. Go ahead and set the rest of the magazine down. Alright, so what we're looking at here is you see that O-ring inside of there? That needs to come out. So I just take a small screwdriver and pop these two components out. You'll notice I got an O-ring and a small piece of metal. See right here? Let's go ahead and set these aside. Next inside, let's see. You see that little O-ring? That's the O-ring that we need to replace. So let's go ahead and remove that. And I like to replace them with this. It's a urethane O-ring instead of a nitrile rubber O-ring. This is 90 durometer. The size is 004. The metric OEM size O-ring that we're replacing is M1.9 by 1.8. 1.8 is the inside diameter of the O-ring. 1.9 is the cross section, the thickness of the O-ring. So all we do, drop our new O-ring down inside, seat it. Next we got to take our little piece of metal here, make sure it goes with the right side facing up. And then put the O-ring in. There we go, got it back. Then we just take our magazine here. Well, there it goes. Screw the cap back on. Replace our metal. Personally, I like to leave these off. That way, if you ever have to replace this O-ring again, you can just unscrew the cap. But it is not that big of a deal if you punch it out every time. And then you just put your pin back in. I gotta hammer that in, and that should repair your magazine when it leaks. And when I say it leaks, that means you put your CO2 cartridges in, nothing happens, but as soon as you put the magazine in the gun and it starts leaking, this is the cause of that. That O-ring right there failing is what causes that usually. Alright, if you have any questions, leave them below. Thanks.